Hi everyone, today I'm excited to unbox and review this compact, budget-friendly smart projector. It's feature-packed with built-in apps, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, and it supports sharp HD projection, up to 4K 1080p, all in a super portable package. Let's check it out.
McCormick knows unbeatable flavor, so we created flavor seals so spices are as fresh and flavorful as the day they were packed.
Inside the box we've got the projector, the remote control, the power cable, a setup guide. It feels very solid and well presented, especially for the price. Right off the bat, I love how sleek and compact this is. It's small enough to toss in a book bag, yet packs seriously connectivity. HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all ready for streaming, screen mirroring, and even gaming. And yes, it supports native 1080p and upscales to 4K, delivering crisp visuals no matter what you're watching. Image quality is sharp, colors pop, and it always stays bright, even in semi-lit rooms. One of the coolest features is it rotates 180 degrees. It has a built-in zoom range from 50% to 100%. That means you can project giant indoor images, indoor or outdoors, without physically moving the projector. Just rotate and zoom. It's super versatile for movie nights or presentations.
McCormick knows unbeatable flavor, so we created flavor seals so spices are as fresh and flavorful as the day they were packed. Letting you make meals that'll have everyone licking their chops. McCormick.
And I live here in California. At Southern New Hampshire University, you can pursue other things and still further your education. What made me choose SNHU was it was completely online and it was affordable.
Searching for your future? Go to snhu.edu.
You can see how easy it is to get a full-size screen. The picture stays clear and focused, great for backyard movies or gaming sessions. It's also incredibly user-friendly. It includes built-in streaming apps, so you don't need anything extra. Just connect to Wi-Fi, pick your show, and hit play. Bluetooth adds the option to wirelessly connect speakers or headphones. Perfect for a private cinema experience or very loud outdoor setups. Let's talk value. With this kind of feature setup, HD, 4K support, built-in smart apps, rotation, and zoom capabilities, it seriously punches above its price point. You're getting premium convenience without a hefty price tag. So wrapping up, this smart projector is a compact powerhouse. Portable, small, and easy to move or travel with. Versatile, HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, built-in apps, crisp 1080p, 4K visuals, flexible setup, 180-degree rotation and zoom, budget-friendly, impressive value for under $200. If you're looking for an affordable projector that doesn't cut corners, this one's worth a look.